Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. Today, I got an easy project that we're going to be working on. But first, how you guys doing? Is everybody doing alright out there? I hope you guys are doing good. I'm still working, so that's a good thing. So I'm happy. But leave me a comment down below. What you've been doing. If you're essential personnel like me and you're still having to work, or if you're not and you're stuck at home, let me know what you're doing to pass your time. Love to hear what you guys are doing. So, Naughty Devil. Walking through a craft store the other day ago, found these little gems. They were cheap. They were like 75% off. They got like this paint. You really can't see it. You see how like the edges are dark, and then they got this rust look to them, which is crap. And we got stickers. So if you have stickers for like your YouTube channel or your business, Black Rifle Coffee Company, awesome. Sauce, should have their shirt on right now, but I don't. A monster sticker, but stickers. Yeti, the unofficial sponsor of the channel, because they don't. Anyway, so we're gonna put our stickers on there, and we're gonna make it look pretty. So I need lots of stickers, because I got two of them. And these things are like 20 inches, 18 inches tall. They're like, they're probably 18 inches easy, tall, foot wide each. So, gonna need lots of stickers. But my problem I'm having in my office is some nerd stuff. Went to Menards and I picked up an LED strip, light strip. Like this stuff. So, where's the remote for this? Let me grab that remote. Whoop! I'm in my office, so. So, it's LED light stripping. It's under my desk that my gaming setup and everything's at. Because I like lighting. Let me turn that off, because that is annoying right now. It's all over the floor and I just whoo. Anyway, so the sticky stuff that was on it, it was okay. It wasn't no 3M. So I got some double-sided tape, and we're gonna stick little bits of this all the way around. I got a knife, so I'm just gonna cut little bits of it, maybe an inch strip every 6 to foot on the strip. I got more. It's a little thicker, but if I need it, I can use it. And we're gonna hang it back up underneath my table. So I guess probably should get underneath there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. If you want to see some stuff out of my shop. With the trying times we're having right now, it's hard to get going on a lot. Especially, I don't want to sit there and buy a whole bunch of stuff to make videos. I worry about paying the bills. So I'm making just the video that I have the stuff for. I got another one. I've got started. Actually, I got 2 of them that I got started. So let's dig into this. We're gotta get under the table. That's where you guys are. You're sitting on top of my table. Pretty strong table if all you guys are sitting on it. It's a nice table then. Just doesn't like LED tape. Alright, I'll see you guys underneath there. Whoop. Oh, alright. Hey guys. Welcome to my the underside of my desk, I guess. It's a really good kitchen table. Because yeah, came with the house. So my cord management, hopefully Bitwit. If you're in the computers, doesn't see my cable management. Sorry, don't look at that. So we got the tape, got the LEDs. Here's the little box. It's still, I don't know why this stuck and the rest of it didn't. Here's the little RFI thing. So when I zap it under the table, but if you look, I don't know if you guys can see. No, you can't. Let me fix that for you guys. There you go. So when I go to put this up here, you guys still can't see. It's kind of crap, huh? Let's fix that. There we go. And we'll turn it to the back there. So when I go to hang this up here, I'm gonna have to put a little piece of that tape up there. Wow, that's really bright. Maybe a little too bright, huh? Maybe that might be good. Wow. Professional operation right here, buddy. Professional operation. Now you get to see how it is to try to light. It's a little harder when I'm not in my shop. So anyway, this is where we're going. Comes out. We're going right there. Then we're gonna go all the way around. And like I said, I'll probably put 2 pieces of that, 3 pieces. So 1, 2, 3. And then we'll just go straight across. So for what you can't see over there, let's move this over there. See how the corner has the corner blocks? And what we'll do is this actually fits in there pretty nicely and kind of snug. Well, it used to. It doesn't now. But if we have to, we'll put one little piece in there. Alright, let's hang this up. I'll try to find a better camera angle for you guys. Whew. Alright guys. Let's see. Ooh, looks good. I don't think we like the jumping around lights, but kind of feel like I'm at a strip club. So went on pretty good. The only problem with got hair still kind of stuck to the back, some of it, so it's a little loose in some spots, but turned out really well. Fortunately, this kit had about 4 inches that was just a hair short, but nobody will ever notice that. So let's look at it from the top. Alright guys, so I got all the lights turned on red, so we get the dramatic reveal here. So ta-da! See how much, get that phone out of there. But now you can really see how bad my cable management is, huh? But as you can tell, ta-da! So when I'm sitting at my desk, now you can see. Okay, Google, turn the office blue.
Sure, changing 4 lights to blue.
So we turned everything blue. And now let's change that to red. So now you can see how everything on top of my desk is blue, and now I got the red. Or I can go like green. So, anyway. Okay, Google, turn the office white.
Sure.
Ta-da! Alright. Alright, guys. So, like I said, it's not much of a video. Just threw some lights back up. But, those weren't trash. A lot of people nowadays just kind of, they fell down. Better buy some new ones. I already have the two-sided tape at the house. I didn't even use that much of it. Maybe a foot of it. So, be safe out there, guys. Follow what the government's saying to do, or your local government, or your leaders. Some days I really don't want to go to work, but people have to eat, and that's the food. That's the industry I'm in, is to make sure the equipment is still viable to work so that people can still eat. It's a very important job. I love my job. So it's just some days, you see everything that's going on in the world, and we're all scared. So, but it is what it is. Don't forget, like, subscribe, wash your hands, don't touch your face like I do with my beard all the time, but I just washed my hands not long ago. Love you guys. We're almost to 200 subscribers. We're like 6 away, 5 away. Let's hit that magical 200 mark. That'd be really cool. So, yeah, let's do it. I'll catch you guys next time.